又係啦，會講國語同埋廣東話，係我哋最流利嘅義工啦，其實。
OK。
係啊。最佳義工。
I think that if you speak 2 different languages, it's better than other volunteers because for me, I get the chance to translate for specialists when they're really directly having interactions with the patients, and I translate, and I could ask the doctors, please explain this procedure. That way, I'm learning, and the patients get to know more about what the doctors is doing to them. So that's a privilege.
OK， 講翻中文。
我就近排我最近做一個翻譯，就係幫一個心臟科醫生咧，佢就去做一個手術。雖然我冇得睇，但係咧個手術師佢解釋得好好，因為佢將每一個細 detail 都講晒俾個病人聽。個病人本來入嚟嘅時候咧係喊嘅，因為佢好怕要做呢個手術。跟住我哋嘅醫生黃醫生Dr. Brian Wong。黃健興醫生，佢係一個心臟科醫生嚟嘅。佢就雖然開頭咧個病人就喊嘅，但係到最後咧因為醫生好有耐性，就同佢解釋唔使擔心，呢個手術咧我90%係會幫你，一定會成功嘅。跟住個病人到最尾就喺度笑住就走啦。
咁我好開心啊！我都冇聽過呢個故事嘅，所以真係好開心啊，係嘛？講得真係好。
It's really recent.
最近嘅。